Hello, Katrin here with European Paper Crafts in the US. Welcome to my channel or welcome back. I am so glad you're here. Today I have the much anticipated mystery packages end of the season for you and everything that you can find in these wonderful value packs. So let's get started. Really quick, your products will arrive in a priority mail box. I will pick up half of the shipping charges, so you only need to pay $8. And the box is already full, as you can see, so this must be a single purchase, meaning you cannot add on any other items from my store because the box is already full and that would require additional shipping. I hope this makes sense. And now let's take a look what you can expect from your mystery box. So I will show you one mystery box. All the mystery boxes are similar, however the products could change slightly. I have calculated these boxes at $280, but I was guided by the lowest prices on the market, so they might be even worth more, but let's go with $280. It's a wonderful collection of card making products, so let's get started. And I also have sample cards while I'm showing you these materials. So you will get specialty paper, and each pack has several sheets, so it's not just one sheet in here. So here is just a sample of specialty paper. Here's a Kanban topper set and papers that makes wonderful denim cards. Here is a hunky dory. This is a Deco large. So right there I made a couple of cards because these Deco large embellishments are so beautiful to make gorgeous cards, and you can see all the layers. With one pack I made 2 cards. So also what you will find is the inners, so you have a muted image of what you see on the front for your inside of the card where you can write your message. I also made a second card, and you can see there is so much material that you can easily create 2 cards. So Deco Large is available in several ways. So there is one pack, there is another pack of hunky dory large embellishments, Deco large, but a full pack, so with several different toppers and cardstock in there. There are insides for your cards. There are card toppers, all die cut. More card toppers, die cut. You do get the 3D shaping. These are these plastic flowers that with heat you can shape. So pretty. There are videos online, you can check them out. There is foiled toppers. There are foiled toppers in your mystery package. Then yeah, all kinds of Kanban card toppers, everything die cut. More hunky dory with the adorable scorable. Several sheets in here. Look at this, all hunky dory, beautiful topper sheets and the matching cardstock. Toppers and cardstock in different varieties. So this is a variety pack. You can see up front here the blue, but there's also cute other embellishments in there. Always matching the card toppers and of course the cardstock. Next we have a huge Kanban pack with lots and lots of toppers again, and foiled cardstock. More Kanban gorgeous toppers and cardstock. We got some cute fairy toppers and stickers. Let's see what else we got. So continuing on with this Art Deco pack of die cuts and matching papers. So all of the mystery boxes will have some Art Deco embellishments in there too. So just to show you what beautiful cards you can make with these embellishments is there's the paper and then the toppers, and all you need to do is layer them up. Here I used my slimline top folding card that I like so much. If you're interested in those, they are available in my shop. Here's another one with these beautiful embellishments, and then yet another one. So I really like the Art Deco designs. I had fun making these cards, and you will be able to make them too. There are several sheets in here. Then you will get some vellum paper in different designs. You're gonna get an artful card kit with papers and die cuts and tags, all kinds of different materials. Here is another pack from Dovecraft with some fairies, so you will definitely get some fairies in your mystery box. Then there is another big pack of Kanban toppers and cardstock, so several sheets in here, big pack. And then I also have in there this pack of die cut toppers that are fully foiled, and also die cut toppers that are embossed and foiled. So there are again several sheets in here, and just to show you what you can make with these, so these are really great because the embellishments are embossed. So let me show you this card here, and I hope the camera will show the embossing on the elements. And then there is also some foil glitter on there. So here is one card that I made with these sheets. Here is another one, and maybe here you can see the beautiful embossing on there plus the foiling. They all come in several steps so that you can make beautiful 3D cards. And then on the back side, like I said, you have these sheets in there with this total foiling on it, and of course these make very beautiful cards too. So here is one that has a sunflower on there. So your sheets might be a little different, but you will get these beautiful flower and foiled sheets. So here is one card I made, and I made a second one here with this embellishment with a fairy on there. So very I have a large impact, and they look so pretty. It's hard for the camera because there is a glare here, but when you see them in your house, you will see how beautiful they are. And there are cardstock, so they're easily stacked. But there is so much more. Next, you will get a pack of die cut cards that you can embellish. So these cute little owl cards look like this when you are done. So they're already pre-cut. You have all the embellishments, and even the back is designed. In this pack, you also get different other die cut cards, like these little purses here and the chest. So beautiful die cut cards will come in your pack. Then you're gonna get a pack of gift bags. Smaller ones, bigger ones. There will be pillow boxes in there. And just to show you how these look like, this is one of the bigger purse that you can make. So you can make these gorgeous purses, and everything you need, all the embellishments come in this pack. So here is one of the bigger purses. Here is one of the smaller purse that you can create. You got the handles, you got these buckles in there, you got the embellishments, you even got something that looks like a zipper. And then in the end, when you assemble them, and they're all pre-cut and pre-scored, you have basically a pillow box that you can fit your present in there, a bigger one or a smaller one. So you have these available in all of the mystery bags in different designs, not to forget the pillow bags. You also get some gift bags that have these cute owls, And so you create a couple of beautiful gift bags with those. What else? Then you will get chipboard stickers in your pack. You will get chipboard die cuts in your mystery box. You will get 3D stickers. You will get some glazed stickers. You will get rub-ons. You will get ephemera. There will be even more ephemera. So ephemera packs will be in there. More 3D stickers. Then you're going to get a whole bag of different packs of bling and breads. So all this, like I said, several are in here. You will get a full big stuffed bag of borders, glitter borders. Those are all stickers, element stickers. That will be in there. You're also going to get a card pack of these beautiful printed cards and envelopes. Let's see what else. You will get demon tags. You will get a couple of bags of fabric flowers, fabric and paper flowers that to embellish your projects. You get some vellum toppers that are die cut and also embossed, and you can add these to your cards or projects. You will get some sentiment stickers. And last but not least, you're also going to get a big pack of glitter stickers and also beautiful fabric borders. So this is all you can expect in your mystery box or anything similar. The amount of products will be the same, but just look the massive amount of die cut sheets, cardstock and paper that will come in this box, plus all the extra embellishment and stickers. So I think this is a good value. Thank you for participating in my warehouse sale this year, and of course these are limited in quantity because I only made a few of those boxes. So here are all the cards that I created with some of the products from your mystery boxes. I think these boxes are absolutely great to maybe share with a crafty friend because there is really so much product in there. And I really like that I found different products to put in there, not just for card making, but also, like I said, these gift bags, for example, or these concept cards. So yeah, I had a lot of fun making these. Please remember, your box will be a single purchase and then come to you ASAP. And of course, there is limited quantities, as I mentioned before. So thank you for spending time with me today. Please stay or get well. Happy crafting, and I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.